Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set home screen wallpaper on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you can see you have to scroll a little bit and you can see here is the theme and lock screen. So you just click on theme and lock screen. When you click on it, here is the my wallpaper, the second option. Just click on this second option, my wallpaper. When you click on it, you can select from here any wallpaper. Suppose I select this, okay, and here is the apply option. Click on apply, and when you click on apply option, the three option has came. The first is the home screen wallpaper, second is the home screen lock screen wallpaper, and the third is bot. Okay, so if you want to set for the home screen, just click on this home screen and this wallpaper will be set successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, you just need to click on home screen. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.